What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option connection and sharing. Now click on it and then click on personal hotspot. Now here you can turn on your personal hotspot. After turn on your hotspot, then check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection. After update your network connection, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password for reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. To restart your device, press the power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.